Try and get lightning. The lightning's that way over. What the heck? It stopped!
It stopped raining. It's the Antichrist. Blame it on him. Or her.
It'll be a guy. Whoa, you missed the
Blame it on
lightning.
the men because they will be the ruin of us all.
Stupid man. Oh, the seat's all wet.